So what are we gonna do today?
Not gonna tell you, but I did bring a pair of boots.
Okay.
Angela is somebody I met on tour maybe 12 or 13 years ago. We just became inseparable. Pitchforks.
Okay.
Purple or blue?
Blue, so it matches my dress.
Angie's down here for a little while for a visit. She lives in Toronto, so it's very rare that she gets down here.
So tell me about the house that you're going to see today.
Today I'm going to see the Bryce Morris
Okay.
house.
Where's that?
It's in Wenham. It is like this old colonial house built in the 1700s.
Okay, so tell me about the family.
They have 4 kids.
Oh, wow.
But the best part is the husband is from Britain.
Ooh, fancy.
So he like loves old houses
Right.
just as much as I do.
Okay. Do you need me to do anything while you're gone?
There's so much you can do.
Okay.
Just go have fun.
All right.
Pretty soon, I am gonna have you a full-on farm girl.
Doubtful.
Welcome.
How are you?
Good to see you.
Hi, good to see you. I cannot believe this house. It is amazing.
I grew up in a, historical part of England in the Cotswolds. Lived in old houses and just transferred it here. Love old things.
There's something about the charm and the quirkiness of an old house that really drew us in.
Tell me a little bit about it.
So it's 1790. It's a federal-style farmhouse.
Two
It
big
needs some work.
chimneys. So when we get inside, we'll show you. It has
I
8
love
fireplaces.
the 2 chimneys. Like federal style with the symmetry, it's my favorite style house. Everything is just so clean and nice and balanced.
It has a front door that we never use. Then we have this side door, which opens into a closet. Never use it.
This one,
Yeah.
a door just goes
I don't
into
even think I've
a
ever
closet.
turned the doorknob
Nobody's
on
ever
that
opened
one.
it.
No.
Then this door, it opens to a tiny stairway up to a back set of stairs. Cramped, terrible. And then we finally have the breezeway, which we use as the main entrance, so it needs some work.
This had to have been a barn or something. I mean, just these beams and the purlins and the wide boards. And this is where you keep your ducks and grouses. You pet ducks in here, or?
So for tall people like us, duck or grouse, because if you don't duck, you get it straight
Grouse.
ahead. So it's a good little reminder if anyone has to go to the garage, watch your
go.
head.
So is this a British term?
It is. Grouse is a bird that you hunt in England.
This is what I love about old houses, though, too. It's just like the quirkiness. Like, how did this door end up being,
Yeah.
you know, what,
I know, right?
what is its
Yeah.
purpose? I have no clue. But don't grouse. I actually thought this was the mudroom, but not the mudroom.
Not quite.
Is this the mudroom through here?
You can go through here.
Yeah. See?
Your stairway is a shoe rack. I don't think I've ever seen a stairway used as a mudroom and have the boots all stacked up on top of each other. That was genius. Do you guys even use this stairway? Is there...
Never. It's a totally useless stairway.
So, I mean, a proper mudroom is a must for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The boots need to be inside where it's warm, they can dry out. If they were out here, it'd be cold. And there's nothing worse than putting on cold boots in New England. You will never get warm
Seriously.
again. Is there something you'd consider getting rid of so we could use this space?
I think we'd be really happy to see it go.
There is a chimney hidden behind that back wall.
We need to check this out. So the chimney's somewhere in this vicinity.
In the wall somewhere there, yeah.
So, I mean, as you can see, the kitchen has a lot of wear and tear. We've got this like a recycling bin, but we never quite was able to get it further out than that. So we just kind of shove bags and hope that it closes. A lot of this kind of wear and tear to the paint. Formica tops. Here's our sink.
This is scary.
Yeah,
Get a
I know,
freaking
right?
cut on that.
Yeah, I think it's sort of rusting or something from the inside out.
The floor definitely doesn't feel in period.
Feels very bowling alley-ish.
Yeah.
Now that I'm over on this side, I do feel your pain.
Yeah,
Like, it's
yeah.
just
A little tight, right?
a little tight,
Yeah.
the flow just is not here.
Yeah, if you add 4 more people, it's worse, and if you add a lot more people, it's unworkable.
Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Look at these floorboards. They like gotta be about 12, 18 inches. I love exploring in an old house. Wow. This is the biggest fireplace I've ever seen. This house has the wide plank pine floors, the original doors, it had the original latches, the fireplaces, a room with 2 fireplaces. That is incredible.
So, John, you might like these.
You guys are so lucky to have working ones. I mean, I've seen houses where they just don't do anything. And I really still don't know what those were for, but I have the perfect guy to ask, and I will find out and let you guys know.
See the main suite?
Hold up. There's a newel post here. I expected a much fancier newel post. You know, as plain as it is, it's old and I love it.
So we come into this somewhat awkward space.
It's not really very practical.
Yeah.
We have a small bathroom here.
Oh, this is very tight.
It's not for 2 people.
Linen storage. Should we grab a seat by the window?
Sure, perfect.
Wow. So this is a huge project. We need to revamp your entire side entrance, walkway, and put in new landscaping. Then inside, we need to gut the breezeway, the back stairs, the hidden chimney, and your entire kitchen, which is a ton of heavy lifting. Your breezeway will now be an insulated mudroom. The newly expanded kitchen will have a large island for your entire family, new cabinets, all new appliances, and windows. It's a huge amount of work.
Yeah.
For the living room, we're gonna refresh the paint, restore the floors, and install new lights. Upstairs, with the back staircase gone, we'll move all the plumbing from one side of the house to the other to create a new main bathroom and suite. It's basically a brand new bathroom from the ground up. It just adds up. You know, this is probably gonna be $250,000 to $300,000. You know, other parts of the country, you can buy a brand new house for that.
We love this house. We've been saving for it for 8 years. We've been thinking and dreaming of a renovation all that time. We'd love our kids to live here, you know, beyond us and, you know, turn into a sort of the next generation.
All right.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Autograph that?
No. Yeah, we need something to sell from this house.
Oh, slow-mo, yeah. We're adding new landscaping and also making it crystal clear which door is the front entrance. Unfortunately, that means moving the herb garden, but luckily, I have an idea. I just wanted to give them kind of a surprise that jumpstarts their whole gardening adventure. So I think this part of the yard is perfect. It's basically just ready for plants. We put in some color, some different texture, and they're just gonna have a nice place to sit out there and drink some tea and eat some crumpets. So I think we just clean this all up, pull all the weeds. We put some bulbs in here just to give them beautiful color. It's a clean canvas to do whatever we want. So I planted the bulbs for Ed's English garden, and when they bloom, it should be his happy place too. We're closing up the breezeway to make it more of a true mudroom. Once the insulation and drywall are up, we can start dressing this farmhouse up.
So our plan is we're going to bring a lot of new wood paneling into the kitchen, but paired with the old floors from the attic, everything won't feel brand new, which is what we're after. And I think the dark soapstone countertop will feel old, and the new island is big enough for all of you to sit at. Sconces and pendant lights with a little patina and age will tie it all together.
The mudroom is all trimmed out, so now we can install the antique storage locker we bought. Oh, I hate you right now, Kristina.
I love you.
And we started putting down those 200-year-old pine planks that we salvaged from the attic. We have these old cut nails. They still make these. They're exact replicas of the original. So we're gonna put all the cut nails in the floorboards here just to give it that feeling of being old and having it match the rest of the house. We're gonna add some beams to the kitchen ceiling to get the same aged effect they saw at our design meeting. Done.
I'm actually really nervous. Just now that it's real.
I know.
I can't even believe this day is finally here.
I know.
Oh my goodness. Look at that door.
Wow.
I love that.
The landscaping, it doesn't look like a complete wild mess. It's looking great.
Oh, and the walkway. I love the brick.
Hi.
Welcome home!
It looks so good.
I mean, it honestly looks like this is the way it should have been.
Yeah, it's always been,
along.
yeah.
It's gorgeous.
So we were able to enclose the breezeway, give you a brand new front door.
It's so much neater and cleaner than it was before.
People know where to go now.
Absolutely.
It's a real door.
Everything else is just so traditional that it's just perfect the way it is.
But you've done a beautiful job out here. It
No, it
looks
looks
really
great.
nice.
They looked terrible before.
Yeah.
This looks great. Oh.
Oh my God, look at this
Look at the ceiling.
Oh my goodness. I don't know where to look first.
Oh, I love it. I absolutely
Great.
love it.
This is absolutely stunning.
Beautiful.
We had the wood floors, we had the really tiny short door.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Wait, I'm not gonna hit my head anymore.
This is a real door.
Look at this piece. Oh my goodness.
They're lockers from an old lodge. You get 2 tiers of coat hanging, and if you have fezzes, you could put them there, or other hats.
Gosh, I'm gonna fill it with fezzes.
No more shoes on the back stairs. We got
No.
a nice cubby in the back corner. You can load it all with shoes.
That's great.
I love it. This is definitely a usable space, and it's warm. I think it's gonna be everything that we need it to be.
It's perfect.
You ready to see your kitchen?
We're really
I'm
excited.
so ready.
All right, let's go do that.
Oh my God, it's huge. That's beautiful.
Oh. Wow.
Oh my God. Wait, it's.
Hold on. This
How is it so big?
it's
I don't
like
understand how
10
it's so
times-
big.
It's
How
like
is it
10
so
times
big?
the size of the old
Well,
one.
remember, you guys had the chimney here and the back staircase. So without the staircase and the chimney, we were able to add more square footage to your kitchen.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
huge.
Oh my God.
There's so many things I want to look at. I love the island.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's huge.
My goodness. Oh, the sink. I've always wanted a proper farmer's sink. This is absolutely stunning. Oh, look at these.
Wow. Again, they look like they've been here for 100 years. They're beautiful.
We have your refrigerator, you have a freezer.
It's all reclaimed hemlock.
Wow. I just want to direct your eyes to your floors.
It was gorgeous.
Love it.
So these are the floorboards we pulled out of the attic. And it's just so weird when you think now your kitchen floor is brand new, but it's 300 years old.
Yeah, they're stunning.
Oh, my, they look great.
Do you want to move to the next space?
I think I'm ready.
Wow. I love the color. I can't believe it. It looks so inviting.
I mean, it's the same room, but it does look totally different. It
Totally
needed
different.
the update, for sure.
Yeah, that sage green needed to go.
Yeah. I love the light gray. It keeps light in the room.
It's really amazing how a fresh coat of paint can change such a space.
Tell me about this.
So those are candle sconces. This space felt almost too open for a farmhouse.
Yeah.
Like this needed to be defined. I like that it anchors this space.
Definitely.
They look great.
And then in the living room,
Oh, wow.
I love the way it's been arranged here. It feels more cozy and more spacious.
So you guys have seen the first floor. We have lots more surprises on the second floor.
Great.
Perfect.
Wow.
It looks so different.
It looks completely different.
Because it was such a strange room before. You know, it had a fireplace to nowhere. Just now suddenly feels like a proper bedroom.
You guys had the smallest bathroom
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah.
So with the flip, your bathroom will be way more private being so far over that way.
Definitely. That makes sense. Oh my goodness, look at the wallpaper.
Oh, we got wallpaper. I love it.
Wow. Oh, this is the stuff of dreams.
Oh my
This is
gosh.
unbelievable. Now I feel like an adult finally. Like this is
You made it.
this is beautiful.
I am absolutely in love with the bathroom, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it.
Oh my
All
god.
right.
All yours.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh my goodness, it's just beautiful.
Shower is huge.
Wow, a tub and a shower.
By taking out your back staircase and the chimney, we were able to give you all this extra square footage in the bathroom and this big, huge shower.
Yeah, it's huge.
Fantastic.
But we got a few other things we want to show you, so let's go take a look.
Wow.
That's amazing. That's a huge amount of work.
That's pretty.
Wow. Thank you so much for doing this. This was like a perfect blank canvas. We just couldn't tame it. Like, there was just too much space, you know, plants and weeds going everywhere, and you've done a magical job. It looks really, really great.
Thank you.
Yeah, to come back and have, you know, these beautiful flower beds and a nice spot here where you can just kind of sit and relax. I love it.
It's a real transformation.
This project has just been so fun for us. I feel like this kitchen could have been here in the 1700s.
This has surpassed every expectation that we had. I can just picture all the family life, and this room will be everything for the family.